Full people, now that you are very much familiar with arithmetic operators, you know how to deal with typecasting, you know how to deal with user input and output. It's time for you to do a challenge here. So here I have the challenge. You need to ask the user for giving the first number, and then you need to ask the user for giving you the second number. And based on that, you will show the output like this. So you have to show addition, then the numbers here and the results, subtraction, and then the numbers here and the results. So whatever the user input user will give, you need to show them here, and also the calculated results also needs to be displayed. So you can pause the video and you can give it a try. I'm sure you will be able to do it. If you cannot do it after pausing, maybe after trying a few minutes, then you can come back again. All right, I think you have done it. If you have done it, then congratulations. If you could not do it, no problem. We are going to do it together. So let's do it one by one. First of all, you need to think how many variables you need. So you can start by thinking like this. You are going to get two user inputs, two integer number. That means we are going to declare here. Let's do it down below here. So we are going to declare two variables, number one, number two for now. Later on, if you need more variable, we're going to declare them. And then what we can do here, we are going to find out the sum. So let's declare sum. Then we're going to declare a variable called sub. Then we're going to declare a variable called multiplication for multiplying, for keeping, for storing the result of multiplication. And then in order to store the result of division, something can be floating point. So that's why what I'm going to do here, I'm going to declare a variable with floating point here. Okay. Now, since all of them are integer, we can declare them in one line. So let me just bring them here. All right. Now that we have all the variables that we need, we can move on. So now we need to ask the user to give us the first and second number. So here I'm going to copy this one just to save my time, and I'm going to ask the user printf. And this is something I want to show the user, enter the first number. So the user will give me the first number and I need to get it. Okay. So in this case, we're going to use scanf, then %d, of course, here and use %d in order to get integer number, and the value will be assigned to the number one variable. So let's do that. Here I'm going to put number one. Now, similar kind of things I need to do it again. So I will copy paste because I need to ask the user to give me the second number. So here I'm going to say enter the second number. Okay. So user will give me the second number and I need to store that inside my second variable, which is this number 2. Now that I have this part done, we can go for the calculation and then show the output that we are looking for. So there are many ways we can deal with this one. So even without this variable we can do, but let's start it like simply here. First of all, I'm going to do the sum. So here I'm going to say number 1 plus number 2, and then I can do the subtraction. So here I'm going to put subtraction and then the multiplication, and in the end we are going to have the division. So I'm doing all the calculation here. So of course we need to change the symbol, plus, minus, and then we have into or divide, then we have the divided one. That's for calculation we need. Okay. But of course, you know, when you're dividing an integer number with integer number, the result will be always integer. So somehow we need to convert one of this number into floating point number so that we get the floating point value. So here I'm going to convert this one with floating. So we are doing the typecasting here. Now that we have done the calculation, it's time for us to show the output. So I will copy this one because this is something I need to, show as an output. So here I'm going to use printf, and then I'm going to put this one, and let's end this. So this will help me to understand what basically I want to do. Now I'm going to copy and paste everything here. Let's say the next one will be subtraction, or maybe I'm not going to do that part. Let's focus on only one for now. So what basically we want to do, we want to show this addition. This is something we can leave as it is, but we might have different value, right? So number 1 can be 10 or any other number. So here we are going to use %d just to print the number 1. So after double quotation here, I'm going to use number 1. Then, of course, we are going to use this plus symbol. We're going to print it out. But instead of 5, maybe we are going to have different value from user. So again, it's going to be the value of number 2. So here I'm going to put number 2. And then the last one here, we are going to print out this value of sum. So that's why we are going to use here %d again because it's an integer value, right? So here I'm going to put %d, but who will be responsible to printing the value of %d? Of course, it's going to be this sum. So after number 2, I'm going to use another comma and just say it's going to be sum who is responsible for, outputting this value here. Okay, so far so good. I hope it's making sense to you at this point. Okay. Now let me just copy and paste so that it's going to save our time. Here I'm going to say subtraction, and as you can see, these are the value not static, they are dynamic. So because they are responsible, they are depending on the user input. This %d depending on the person whoever giving number 1, and this % is depending on the value of number 2 user that going to give us, and this %d is basically depending on the total of this calculation here. So the sum is responsible for this here. So let's change for the subtraction. Of course, number 1, number 2 will be same, but the value of subtraction inside this sub variable. So we're going to use sub, and then we can copy paste few times. We're going to say multiplication, and the last one will be division here. This is how we wanted our output look like. If you have focus on here, let me just cut from here and paste it at the top. All right, that's all. Now here I'm going to use multiplication variable, which is this mul, and for division I'm going to use div. But then you must remember the division variable was floating point. Okay, so in this case, if we want to print out the division variable's value, we need to use %f. So the first %d referring the first variable after this double quotation or comma, the second %d referring the second one, and the %f referring the third one, which is this div here. Now, if we want to print out just 2 decimal point after the decimal, 2 decimal places after the decimal point, then we can use %2f here. Now, let's run this program. Let's see whether we are going to get the expected result. We have done a lot here. So here we're running, it is asking for us to give the value of the first number, and I'm going to give it here, let's say 10. Then it is asking me to give the second number. I'm going to give it 3. And then we have the result, but there was no new line. That's why everything is kind of messed up. So we are going to put a new line end of this every end of this every %d or %2f, whatever, just before ending the double quotation here. So here I'm going to give %n. Now let's run this program. Let's see what happened this time if we run it. Here I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so that you can see well. Let's run this program, and this time we are going to have the result here. Okay, enter the first number. I'm going to give the first number 10. Then it is asking me to give the second number. I'm going to give the second number 3. And this time we have the expected result, addition, subtraction. Then we have multiplication. The result is okay, but there are a few symbols we have messed up. We are supposed to show here minus, into, and divided, and I'm sure you have already noticed that. So let's fix them here. We are going to show minus, we're going to show here into, and the last one will be here is divided. Okay, now let's see whether it's going to work again. So here I'm going to run this program, and let's see. Okay, enter the first number. I'm going to give 10, and the second number I'm going to give 4. And this time we have the expected result that we were looking for. So hopefully things have made sense and it was fun for you to do this task, and this should clear your concept of arithmetic operators, typecasting, printing, scanf, those type of things, and how to do like how to use format specifier as well.